Hello. Eliminating cyberbullying. Prepare for the PTSA of John Marshall High School. Prepared by Taisha Bullock. November 2019. Were you aware that cyberbullying is the number one source of bullying in our world today? Cyberbullying is the use of electronic communication to send messages to someone that is threatening or harmful. My proposal is to incorporate a program that will help reduce or eliminate cyberbullying in John Marshall High School. After doing my research, staff weren't aware of children being bullied online. Most people think of the most standard bullying in school or on school buses. With my solution, I believe it will fix this issue. I have spoken to Rochester Public Schools district and committees. I have addressed this issue to many parents. They all believe that this will help students from being bullied in the near future. In January of 2014, 280 of RPS schools, like grades 9 through 11, take surveys of why and how they were bullied. 7% of those students stated it was due to their sexuality that they were being bullied. 9% stated it was due to their race. 23% stated it was due to their physical appearance. 5% of these students stated that they were bullied due to their disabilities. 6% of these students also stated that they were bullied due to their gender. 50% of these students were bullied online. As we all know, bullying can result into very, very tragic situations. 25.3% of these students committed suicide due to being bullied online. In-person bullying has changed due to the internet. Most children believe that they are less likely to get caught, which in most cases are very true, because you can bully someone online anonymously. More children are being bullied online rather than in classrooms. The increase of cyberbullying and adults being less aware of the warning signs will result in more students failing in school and also failing to come to adults about being bullied online. As this continues, more students will get assaulted, or even worse, they will continue to commit suicide. Furthermore, the lack of awareness about cyberbullying is why so many adults are not aware that this is happening. Since more students are being bullied in non-regulated areas, this is why I'm focusing my approaches on more of the areas where students have more access to phones and computers. Incorporating this anti-bullying program into the curriculum can help reduce the amount of students who are being bullied. Adding this program into art classes, computer classes, and also English classes can help students understand the importance of cyberbullying and why cyberbullying should be banned. The cost of this program will roughly cost about $10,000. The materials that this program will include is dress-up clothes that will help play out scenarios and plays of bullying. Some supplies are crayons, markers, paint, poster boards, tape, command strips, dry erase markers. Also, cyberbullying movies such as Unfriended, Disconnect, Odd Girl Out, and also a cyberbullying movie. Teachers will receive a lump sum at the end of the program of $300 to ensure that teachers get the pay that they deserve, and also that they understand that they are very appreciated for incorporating this into their very heavy curriculum. Volunteers and also aides will also receive $100 at the end of the program for helping establish the program and also helping grow the program even more. The district and school committee will help establish fundraisers to help earn money to continue funding this program. Here, I have established some visual aids of the materials that I have enclosed. However, when doing this information, I have found that the Rochester Public Schools was hit with a major lawsuit due to negligence to protect a child who was being bullied repeatedly by a classmate. John Marshall High School has now become 100% a non-bullying school. Any form of bullying in this school will result in disciplinary action or full removal from the school. John Marshall High School believes that a safe and civil environment will help students to learn and have higher results and higher academic standards. However, in most cases, schools are not able to monitor students at all times, which is the reason why it's very hard for them to eliminate or reduce these acts of bullying. As we all know, it also takes a village to raise a child. Raising these children to become better is what we are all reaching forward to. On majority of here, I have incorporated schedules and also a sign-in sheet that will focus on grades 9 through 11. I have set up a weekly schedule that will fit into the average 9th to 10th grade curriculum. If it is possible, I have also issued a sign-in sheet for parents to sign in if they have time to sit in on some classroom sessions. I believe having teachers, parents, and aides in these sessions will help them become more aware of cyberbullying. The content will first discuss emotions and how to cope with them together and how to get better. Helping others deal and cope with their emotions and fears are also very important also. This class will help students be able to learn about team bonding and getting to know their peers on a personal level. Also, the movies and different scenarios will be demonstrated in this class also. The goal is to ensure that students are aware of bullying and how to prevent it from happening to them. In this program, students will get a chance to work with other classmates and work on their bullying projects, such as making posters to hang around the classroom or even around the school. Students will help gain ownership of their situations to know what's going on and to also be more aware. They will be happy that knowing that their art and also quotes that they have hung up around the schools can help save someone from being bullied. The teachers and even aides will also have fun with playing out plays and also being able to incorporate this into their curriculum, which will also make them become more aware. After doing this research, adding these classes into the curriculum and revisiting this topic each week with students will result in trusted adults being more aware of the signs of cyberbullying. Children will also be less likely to fall victim to cyberbullying. This way, when parents or children demonstrate that their child is being bullied, the school will be aware of these situations. Then the school can take upon reasonable action to resolve the issue, and students will feel more safe. This will help protect the district from receiving any lawsuits due to negligence to protect children. I am asking for an assembly with you and or the PTSA group to ensure, and also I would like to invite any other paraprofessionals or aides to attend the assembly. This goal of the assembly is to introduce the problem and provide the solution to the problem. I would like to answer any questions in depth that you or the audience may have. Thank you for listening.